Hi there. In this video, I'm going to take you through one of the more open-ended sheets, which is the template sheet. And this is just the sheet that's going to help you program your own functions for Miia bot. And I've taken you through all the basics, like the walking forward, back, and turning. Functions, but for this, if you want extra functions that you want Maya to do, you'd use the sheet to essentially take you through that process, like I've done in the previous ones. So you could go here and say, okay, you want Maya to, I don't know, stand on one leg and wave a foot. So you could say, okay, foot wave. You could name it foot wave. And then you could say movement description, and you say Maya stands on one foot and waves with the other foot, whatever. And then a good way to do this is to actually draw the stages that Maya goes through to achieve what you want. So you'd go, this is step one, and you draw Maya standing on one leg. Then you'd draw step, or you'd say Maya's standing straight. Next step, Maya standing on one leg. And the next step, Maya's foot goes up, next one goes down, or you could just say, and then Maya's foot goes up and down times 5. Once you got that, then you have to say, okay, now to developing this, you can call your steps. So you'd go step 1, and you don't need to call this step 1, step 2, step 3. You could actually call it initial step. And then Maya's, so all the motors are at 90. Stand on one leg, and then you say stand one leg, and then you've got the code that you've developed for that to stand on one leg. Then over here you could say wave foot. Okay, you could say, okay, my foot goes up here, in this one my foot goes down, and then this one my foot goes up again, and so forth, and you just carry on. So that's just an example, but it's a good way to follow the process that we've been doing, to get Maya to do what you want it to do. So to do that in this side, again, same process. Each step has 4 motors that you pull in, and after each 4 motors of 4 of these guys, I'm not going to put the, okay, let's put them all. After 4 of these, so it's step 1, 3, 4, and then you change the angles here. And after each one, you have a wait, and let's wait a second after each one. And that just follow that same process every time, and that's will help you with what you need to do. And again, you can save your projects here, and you'll see everything will be stored here. Yeah, and then essentially that's all. I mean, it's just these are the building blocks that you'll use for when you do your own things, because I'm not saying follow what I'm saying with all the walking forward back. You could say, okay, I wanted to dance first. I mean, it's really up to you and what your imagination dictates, or what you really want to do. So it's very open-ended at this time, but this is the process that you should follow. And yeah, I hope you have fun.